Hi, my name is Andrea Martinez, and I'm an immigration attorney with the McCrummen Immigration Law Group. The McCrummen Immigration Law Group is located in North Kansas City, Missouri, and we can be contacted by our phone at 816-221-5444. Again, 816-221-5444. I'm going to speak to you today about a very important topic, U visas. The U visa was created by Congress to give incentive to immigrants to not only call the police when they've been the victim of a crime, but to assist in the investigation of the crime to the extent required by law enforcement. I think law enforcement agencies were having an issue getting immigrant victims of crime to testify because of their fear of law enforcement. So once this visa was created by Congress, immigrants were given incentive to call the police, report the crime against them, and to assist both law enforcement and the prosecutors to prosecute the crime and put the aggressor in prison if possible. The U visa was created to assist victims of serious crime. Now, a serious crime, there's a list of crimes that qualify as serious crimes. They include some of our most common crimes are domestic violence, aggravated assault, felonious assault, which is in many cases robbery, armed robbery. It has to be a crime against your person. So it can't be, for example, just robbery of the house when you're not there, or robbery of your car or your purse when you weren't looking. It actually has to involve a person who could have been seriously injured during the crime. The U visa was created and assists immigrants who at no point refuse to assist in the investigation of the crime. So it's extremely important that immigrants who are the victims of the crime call the police, report the crime, and then continue to attend hearings or otherwise assist as they're requested by local law enforcement. If the immigrant has done those things, then we request that you come to our office to have an analysis done of your case and your potential U visa with a copy of the police report and any other court records in hand. So you would call our office with a copy of your police report at 816-221-5444. Make an appointment to speak with one of our immigration attorneys where we will analyze whether the crime that you suffered would qualify for a potential U visa. It's important to note that the U visa can assist not only the victim, but also family members of the victim. So for a victim who was over 21 years old, that could include a spouse, and this is a legally married spouse, not just a person who you're living with, and also minor children. For a victim who was under 21, potential beneficiaries could include parents, children, unmarried siblings under 18, and spouses. And in the case of minor victims, if a parent, for example, an undocumented parent, reports the crime of their minor child, the parent could get an indirect U visa as the indirect victim of a crime. So please call our office at 816-221-5444, 816-221-5444 if you have more questions about the U visa and whether you qualify. Thank you.